Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Josh Gibbons and today I'm going to be bringing you a video all about my day scheduler and why this is honestly the best thing that I've used ever to help me be more efficient, more productive and make sure my actions are mapping to my success and I can achieve my goals better. So if you are looking to change your life by becoming more efficient, getting everything you need to done, plus making sure you never procrastinate, then take a look in the description. The link for this day planner, the one I actually brought and used, will be in the description there. So this is a Collins A4 day planner scheduler. So I'm gonna it has all of the common, calendar notes, so dates, festivals, international holidays, conversions and whatnot. And then you have one page with a year planner. It has every month and you can plan ahead what you're going to do in that month. So if you already know that you're going to start a business model in March, let's say, you can write that and you can plan ahead the month. But here's where it gets good. You have the day-to-day scheduler. So I'll skip to a day that I haven't filled in yet. So I'm probably recording this before, way before I upload it. So on the 5th of January, you can see that it has the day and it has hours. So from 8 in the morning all the way down to 8 at night. And I know this isn't optimal hours for an entrepreneur, for those of you who work longer like me, but this, it honestly helps you to get things done quicker. So a lot of people work from 7 till 12 in the morning and they're not actually making the most of those hours, which is why it takes so long. So 8 to 8 is a good time. You can really make yourself work to get everything done in those 12 hours. So also what I do is a task list. As you can see here, I have a few tasks that I have to do every day that I've pre-filled in. And then during the day, I can fill out these tasks in each hour where I want to do it. And also what I've done is written a list of the different actions, loads of actions that will lead to me achieving my goals. And I can also go and fill them in here. So for those of you who have shorter tasks, for example, posting on social medias, you can put that in there and then just write another task in the next column along, because obviously it's not going to take you 15 minutes to post on Instagram, for example. I think it's good for you to see that, but there is also more. There is an accounts sheet. So towards the back, I'll just go and find it. Here you go. I'll just open on the August accounts, for why not? So you can record your finances in this planner as well. So what you get paid, what you pay, and what you receive. So for those of you struggling to keep a log of how you make your money, here you go. It's all included. So during the month, for example, in January, I made money in my first 2 days from my freelance business, which was insane. So I logged that down in the January accounts page. And I just think that the main benefit for a day scheduler is to plan ahead. You can stick to it throughout the day. You know what you need to get done. So you can, wire your brain to focusing on following that schedule and doing what you need to get done in that day. And something else that's great, obviously, whenever I have lunch, I can put that in there as well. I can make sure I don't have 2-hour lunch break. I stick to the schedule and I can allow myself breaks wherever I feel I need to. And then I can just move about the tasks that I need to do around the breaks I have. And guys, this is so cheap. For the ROI it's going to have, for the actions this is going to allow me to take to achieve my goals, £13 is nothing, guys. I've literally, January the 1st, I made so much more than £13. I'll go and find the account. I won't disclose how much I made, but guys, honestly, I made my money back in a day with this. And I guarantee you that £13 is not even going to be a worry when you're starting to become more efficient, because it's going to make you so much more money, because the actions you put into every day is going to lead to more income. So if you want to invest in your efficiency, your productivity, feel free to click the link in the description, pick it up. It's only £13. It is nothing for the ROI on this. So I really just want to try and teach and tell everyone the importance of efficiency. And it's only recently that I've actually started to stop wasting time. And this has been huge for that in 2018 so far. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I helped. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. I'd love to have a chat with you. But I'll catch you in the next video.